I've had this SurfPrep POV8 for about 2 months now, and so I wanted to share my review on it. But first, take a look at this video that I made when I first got the system. I just got the SurfPrep POV8. This is an 8-gallon wet dry vac with an auto on, auto off system. When you charge up the system by depressing the paddle, you will hear the filter make a buzzing sound, and that is because it is clearing the filter so you can have constant suction to the tool. It's got a bag inside to collect the dust. It's got a quick connector for connecting your various tools. I couldn't be happier with this thing. So let's talk about the things that I absolutely love about this system. The system works exactly like it's designed to do. I am out here every weekend using this system, and I use it on a variety of materials with both sanders. I use the 6-inch and the 3x4, and I change it out using that adapter that you saw in the video. So let's open up the system and see what the bag looks like. Let's take a look at what is inside. Here's the filters here. Everything comes in through this bag here. So you see it is collecting the dust for sure. But on the inside, it's totally clear, not a speck of dust. These filters are in great condition. I can tell you that these bags last a really long time, and they filter out a ton of dust. And as you can see by the inside, they're awesome. And if you're using with the SurfPrep paper, it's got the holes in the right position, so it's going to extract that dust from the work surface. That's going to allow you to have less burning, to let your sandpaper last a lot longer. So I definitely recommend you using some sort of extraction system. If you have any questions, leave comments below in the video and I will answer every single one of those questions. I do receive a small commission, but I can speak to this machine. I would buy this machine 10 times over, even if I wasn't affiliated with them, because it has worked as expected, and it's actually worked better than expected.